Go ahead.
Call me back in 10
Give
minutes.
us plenty of light. You aren't going to be able to see
Okay.
it.
I can see the candles.
Bye.
Yeah, you can see the candles.
And I can see them lighting up your face.
Is it recording?
Hold on. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear John.
Black Wolf.
Happy birthday to you.
White Wolf.
Try again. Nah, you missed one. Okay, there we go.
Good job, White Wolf.
Yay. Okay, Bagman, you can go away now.
That's what she said.
I'm not sure that I want
You straight?
Yeah, I just took a little sip of some Jaeger.
No thought again.
Just a little sip. I'm not getting all fucked up again.
See, look, happy little Mormon boy over here.
Yeah.
Chocolate cake.
Eating chocolate cake.
Hope you had a good
Mr.
day.
Diabetes over here.
It's sugar free.
Yeah, sure.
No, it's not. Here I am dressed as Batman.
Sure.
Oh, speaking of sugar free.
He's 30!
Hey. Huh? Hey.
Tick!
Thomas.
Tack!
Thomas.
2, 3 in the what?
Speaking of sugar free, you have like some testing strips here.
And one of them is Frank.
So come and get them.
Holy shit.
But I don't know.
Hey, Thomas, did anybody tell you Titanic has already sunk?
Hello?
Yeah, he's still waiting for the Titanics.
John.
Those are sad because when they get older, they
You
sink.
put those two pieces up for Patrick and Frank, and then I can put that back on so you can take that to your mom.
Cut off my wing! What the hell is wrong with you?
We'll just come 2 slices similar to that.
Mom, you cut off my wing!
Okay, well, I was trying to figure out how to get it over there. Well,
And here is
all we
the
do
birthday
cut
boy.
One up for Frank and one up for Patrick, and then you can have a piece of cake with your mom and Wendy.
And there's
Just
Tommybird
basically
on the phone with Mrs. Bird,
follow that.
who's about to lay eggs. That's why she's so bitchy.
Thomas.
And there's Tommybird flipping the bird.
Thomas!
Backflip.
Thomas.
It will be right here. All the rest will
Testing
be
strip.
John's.
Are you trying to test my patience? Trying to
Yes, I am, you little punk. What are you gonna do about it? Huh?
So you're saying, like,
How you doing, baby? What you up to? How you been?
It's upside down, bat symbol.
What?
I don't know. Is this
Oh,
a
I'm
Tommybird
sorry.
episode or just fucking retardation?
Sorry, we gotta bleep. No, go back to. We gotta bleep his face. It's too ugly.
Wait,
Hey, it's an improvement.
If that's the case, we briefed this comment to a beep, 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 licking, beep, beep, finger lick, beep, beep, up your bum, beep, 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 suck my beep, you piece of beef.
Wait, Thomas, come back here. Speaking of ugly, let's look at that. Come here. No, put your hands down. Put your hands down.
No questions.
No, I got something to show the fans. Speaking of,
I'm not sure. No,
not that.
What?
Just hold your face still. Look at the camera. Speaking of ugly, look at that giant booger hanging out of his nose. A fucking booger hanging out of
Now
his
I'm at
nose for like
8K.
3 hours.
Alright.
It was funny, wasn't it?
Stealing cigarettes from Thomas. No.
And there's Patrick running off with my phone yet again. Seriously, I'm gonna make you pay my phone bill because you're on it more than I am. You're gonna pay my phone
It's
bill.
all free. I don't understand.
It's all free, but you're on it more than I am.
you might want to watch Thomas.
Why? What'd you do?
No, it's not to the Tommybird episode yet. No, my birthday wish.
You know how your
episode.
mom always says to chew your food very wisely?
My mom said a lot of fucked up things, but we're not gonna go into it.
I'm just.
Back kick.
Yeah, my tonsils.
Your tonsils are down here, dude.
He swallowed a fork.
There's no reason to get all choked up about it. That's how you use a dingle hopper.
A ding whopper? Are we talking like Little Mermaid's dingle hopper?
Hey, I'm not pregnant her. She just child support.
Huh?
Come here, Thomas.
Man, when she considers her an empty shell, she meant it.
Will you come here?
I'm
I'm sorry.
cake,
No, you're right. You really just stabbed my throat, though.
You okay?
No.
You'll live.
You really just hurt.
You'll live.
Try some salt water. No, seriously, like, I think you punctured.
Oh, you're alright. Are you bleeding?
I think it would.
No. Give me a light, somebody.
I don't have a
Right
light.
there.
Oh,
Alright,
What is
cut the thing.
this?